In this video, we are going to talk about valuable protection that you should arrange alongside your mortgage so that if the unexpected happens, you are fully prepared. When you buy your property with a mortgage, it will probably be the biggest financial liability you take on in your lifetime. You may be taking this step on your own, or there may be others involved, such as a spouse, a partner, or children. Whatever the situation, you need to consider your circumstances if the unexpected happens and you cannot make the mortgage payments. For example, if you were to die or become sick and unable to work. The first question you should ask yourself is, if I were to die before the mortgage were repaid, what would I want to happen? Who would own the property on your death? Would they continue to pay the mortgage? Would they be in a position to do this? What would happen if they could not pay? All these questions need to be asked, answered and resolved before your mortgage is in place. We see too many of our clients dying or becoming seriously ill during the term of their mortgage to take anything but a serious approach to mortgage protection. Fortunately, the answers are all to hand and available via your independent mortgage broker. Subject to your health, you can arrange a life insurance policy that pays out cash on your death, sufficient to repay the mortgage in full. Monthly premiums are not expensive, particularly when you consider the peace of mind it will give you and your family. Further to this, you should consider what would happen if illness prevented you from working and earning the income you need to repay your mortgage and cover other bills. Once again, we can provide you with protection to ensure that sickness does not create an issue with your mortgage payments. If you arrange critical illness cover, the policy will pay off a lump sum on diagnosis of a number of serious illnesses, such as heart attack, cancer or stroke, removing your biggest financial liability at a time when your future lifestyle and working patterns will be coming into question. In order to arrange mortgage protection, you will need to provide some medical background. The insurer will also ask questions about your occupation. Depending on the level of cover required, they may write to your doctor for a medical report. In some cases, you may be asked for a simple medical check, where height, weight, blood pressure, and other simple parameters are checked. This type of medical can be arranged at your own home or place of work if more convenient. Your independent mortgage broker will guide you through the whole of this process and make it easy for you to get the cover in place and provide you with the stability that you and your family deserve. Although premiums from insurers will tend to be within 10 to 15% of each other, it is worth making sure that you are getting quotes from a range of providers. Each provider will see a particular age group as more attractive and price accordingly. Smokers should expect to pay additional premium due to the additional risks involved to the insurer. If the insurer does consider you have an unusually increased risk, perhaps due to family background or previous medical history, they may offer you special terms. In this case, the insurer will ask you to pay a slightly higher premium in order to contribute towards the extra risk. Again, this is something that your advisor will be used to dealing with and will be able to guide you through. One other important point to remember is that your mortgage protection should be in place from the day you exchange contracts, as that is the point at which you are committed to the purchase and therefore the liability. Should you have any question on mortgage protection or life insurance in general, or wish to investigate taking some cover, contact us now.